Today I am going to tell you how to reduce the bitterness in the lemon juice. Lemon juice becomes bitter because of three reasons. If the lemon is squeezed along with this pith portion, the thick wooden portion, leathery portion in the center is called the pith. If the lemon juice is squeezed along with this pith region, then the bitterness enters into the juice. So care should be taken that using a knife, you can scoop out the center region and then start squeezing the lemon juice. Second reason is the presence of seeds in the lemon juice. To a maximum extent, we have to try to remove all the seeds before adding the juice into the water. Next, do not squeeze the lemon juice till the skin region, because the skin has bitter oils that will enter into the water and then make the lemon juice bitter. So when we take care of all these points, then we can avoid the bitterness in the lemon juice.